Earlier, we almost forecasted trade receivable, inventory, and trade payable figures. We came up with an estimate of days in future periods, but we didn't reverse the days calculation to obtain the actual working capital items. Why did I do that? My idea is that whenever we have to multiply or divide by revenues, COGS, or some other item in our model, it is much better to have a single cell in which we can reference. Before creating the P&L output sheet, we had a portion of revenues in the automotive section of the model, and the other portion was in the energy section of the model. We would have had to sum both components to obtain revenues. A preferable thing to do is to have a clean output sheet, like the one we created, and simply link to one cell in that sheet. So, I'll do that here. DSO multiplied by revenues and divided by 360 gives us trade receivables. Let's paste to the right. Perfect. These are the trade receivables values for the entire period under consideration. Next, we have inventory multiplied by COGS and divided by 360. We shouldn't forget to add a negative sign in front because balance sheet figures are always positive. I'll also fix the row reference to use this formula for trade payables as well. In fact, I can copy and paste the formula to the right and downwards. Here's how we obtained trade receivable, inventory, and trade payable figures in our forecast period. We are in great shape, and this will do for now. Thanks for watching.